Hey lovelies, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Miss Sandy, and today's video I'm just going to show you how to make French curls ponytail. No crochets needed, nothing at all like that. You're just basically just making these curls directly with your expression braiding hair. For this tutorial I use expression braiding hair actually, but you can actually work with any other kind of braiding extension, and let me know how the result on how to look like in the comment section. That is after watching this video. So first off, you're just going to use the rubber that I showed earlier on just to create a loop on the attachment, and then you make sure that this is brushed properly before we start weaving it. So yeah, I'm just going to take out a little piece for wrapping this ponytail actually. So I'm just going to take out a little piece and comb that carefully and just place it at the back, and then I'll use my T-pin to just secure that on the other side. And then I'm just going to take another piece of extension. Just take the required amount that you know that is necessary for braiding, and then make sure to comb that very carefully. While you're combing, make sure that you are holding the top part so that it will not draw out from the other side. So once you're done combing it, you want to start braiding. And also take note of one thing: the reason why you need to comb this is so that it will have a very smooth finish. So now we're just basically going to braid to the parts that just braid halfway down, and then you just secure that like creating a knot on the tip. And yeah, just keep watching so that you can basically understand what I actually mean. And this method is very easy, guys. Like, you don't have to you don't have to start braiding the French curls, dipping hot water and going through all that process. You don't have to even crochet it. All you just need to do is just get your braiding extension, put a rubber band in the middle, and then start braiding. And then once you are done braiding, we are going to be creating the curls. Yeah. So guys, I'm also going to be showing you the method that I use for creating these French curls, because you have to be careful so that you don't create a different kind of curls and it would look very different. So yeah, just keep on watching, and if you're yet to subscribe to my channel, do make sure to subscribe, hit the notification bell so as to get updated when I post new videos. And yeah guys, just keep on watching.
Turn us to thousands, and on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go. Close till I get up, time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highway.
So guys, this is how the ponytail looks like. You can see from the roots that you can't even see any form of crochet. So now I'm just going to proceed to braiding the other part that is for wrapping. And then I'm going to be using the knotless braid kind of method, because I want this part to be very long. I'm also going to be adding extensions while I am braiding, just to make sure that it is long. So this is basically what I was doing while I was braiding. I was adding some extensions at the bottom part of my finger, and then just braiding it all the way through to the tips. Now for this one, I am not going to stop halfway down to coil the tips. I'm just going to be braiding it all the way down.
To create a song, I don't wanna miss a beat. And on we'll go.
So this is how the ponytail is looking. So I'm just going to proceed to coiling the tips of this ponytail, and for this I am using a PVC pipe that I already cut into smaller pieces. You can actually get this in the market, or if you have a roller that is actually bigger than, you know, the normal regular size, you can just go ahead and use that. So I use the PVC pipe, and then before coiling I just combed it properly, and then I use the rollers to just roll it all the way through, and after which I use the bobby pin to just secure it from the two sides of the rollers, like so. So guys, just keep on watching.
Fueled by them to see the horizon, turn us to thousands, and we'll grow in number. Fueled by them to see the horizon, turn us to thousands, and on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways.
So now that we're done rolling this with the rollers, that's the PVC pipe, I'm just going to proceed to dipping this in the hot water. So yeah, I already have my hot water and a conditioner, and this is actually called Pantene conditioner. So you can actually use any kind of conditioner that you have. I just prefer this because I love the fragrance, and also the fact that it actually makes the extension to be very, very soft. So after putting the Pantene conditioner inside, well, this is a mousse spray that I'm going to be using after I'm done dipping it inside the hot water. So you want to make sure that you stir the hot water solution before dipping it in the before dipping the braiding extension in the hot water. So yeah, I'm just making sure that it is properly inside. I'm also going to put the other part that is for wrapping inside the hot water. So I'm just basically pouring the hot water on the extension just to make sure that everywhere is well covered with the solution. And then after doing that, I'm going to be pouring out some of the hot water in the other parts of the bowl, just to make sure that I'm covered this ponytail with enough hot water solution. So yeah, now that we are done, we're just going to bring it out from the hot water, and I'm going to tap dry it. So guys, just keep on watching, and yeah, if you're yet to hit the like button, do make sure to hit the like button, and also subscribe to my channel if you haven't subscribed. So guys, just keep on watching. So now I'm just going to apply this mousse spray on the extension, and then make sure that you apply it properly on the tips of the curls, because this is where we want the curls to actually last longer. So once I am done applying on the tips, I'm also going to be applying it on the braid itself, after which I just left it for about 2 hours to dry before taking out the curls.
Till my shadow turns to sun rays, and on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go.
So this is how our French Curls Ponytail is actually looking so amazing. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section. If you tried this with the Espresso brand or any other kind of braiding extension brand, let me know in the comment section how the results came out. And also, I'm just going to trim the tips just to make sure that the parts are actually equal. So this is how the ponytail is looking like. Super amazing. So yeah, I'm just going to proceed to putting this on my hair just so that you guys can actually see the beauty and see how this looks like when you apply it, when you attach it to your hair.
Through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays, and on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go. close till I get up. Time is barely on our side.